I didn't know how I would feel if I was out by myself, having to do certain things. And because of the situation of the incident that took place, I had to go and handle insurance paperwork by myself, government situations by myself, grocery stores, taxis and things. It's very doable. And like Lorana, who's one of our subscribers, she lives here in Cuenca. She does it on a daily basis, and does it well.
Yeah,
like
Cuenca. I mean, Lorana is in the wind all the time. And check her channel too. Check Lorana's YouTube channel.
She's more fluent with Spanish, and when I say fluent, meaning she can have complete sentences and conversations with Ecuadorians versus my conversation with Ecuadorians. Yeah. You know, it's spotty, very spotty,
but low rudimentary.
How did you feel with me having to navigate without you?
I was nervous. I made sure I pulled up her location on my Google Maps. And I had to make sure that, hey, where you at? Because Google Maps says you're offline right now, and she may have been somewhere a signal went out or whatever.
At times it got kind of annoying because he was calling me and I'm like,
hey, so what? I'm not used to her going and doing stuff without me, even though it's perfectly okay. There's other single like women here that do this all the time. But since we move together so much, I have to make sure that she's okay because I'm here kind of like, incapacitated. So I want to make sure. That's all. But it is absolutely doable. You can get around, kind of not with very minimal issues. And even if you take the bus somewhere, I think the longest we've ever had to walk after getting off the bus was maybe 10 minutes to wherever we were going, wherever our destination was. So it's always within like a 10-minute walk at the most.
Now, let me give you. Let me insert something. For Salinas and Cuenca, he would not be as comfortable with me moving around in Salinas at night by myself.
No.
Now, going to the grocery store, going to the mall, he would have been okay. But here in Salinas, in Cuenca, we do way more than what we did in Salinas. And I will say there were motorcycle robberies that did happen in and around Salinas, mostly in Libertad. But here in Cuenca, it's a little more safe.
Yeah. Not to say that it's safe. No, we're not saying that. We're not going to fool nobody. But it is a safer overall environment. It's a much bigger city, but a safer overall environment.
That he doesn't, it's not much of a concern with me moving about the city by myself as it would have been if I had gone to, like we were saying, Libertad is near Salinas. Libertad
is sketchy.
It's sketchy.
Yeah. And I'm not, here's the thing. Sketchy as in I wouldn't feel comfortable by sending her out there by herself. Sketchy. That's just like, it's a comfortability issue. Not saying that
you can't.
Not saying that it was likely that something would happen to her if she went out by. No. I would just feel nervous about it.